Hey everyone, it's Dr. Nastaldima. Today I'd like to talk to you about your research questions. As you know, we're working toward your inquiry project, which is the major research assignment for this class. And the research questions will help you get there. So why are the research questions the major assignment for this week? That is because they are crucially important to this project and they help shape the entire project. So an inquiry project is different from the writing that you may have done in English 101. In many instances, English 101 is dedicated to argumentative or persuasive writing, where you look at a couple different authors or different sides of an argument, discuss those sides, and then come to your own conclusions or form your own opinion. Or maybe you start with your opinion and then kind of plug in what different sources say to back you up or to argue with you. But that's not what we're doing. An inquiry project explores one major research question. So it's important to begin this process with an open mind and with an idea of things that you want to genuinely learn about, things that you're interested in that you don't already know the answers to, or that you don't already have a strong opinion on. It's important to do that, of course, because we're spending the next 5 weeks on this project, but also because that really helps you find a number of interesting answers to your question. So this inquiry project will be your discussion of the research question, and then your discussion and evaluation of the multiple answers you find. To get there, you have to write a good question. And the article that I've posted, or the chapter, excuse me, called From Topics to Questions is really, really helpful. It guides you into thinking about how can you move from the big topic, which is the evaluation of student writing, into a question that is very specific to you and your concerns. So that's the first thing that I would do is read that chapter. Okay. Then I'm encouraging everybody to draft your questions in our discussion space as usual. I think especially for this, it's really important to get different perspectives on the question that you're asking, get some advice, get some input from your colleagues. Okay. I've also posted a few blogs in the content for this week, so you can take a look at what some of the informal conversations are within the scholarly community about the evaluation of student writing. And there is a great tutorial that Thane created for us on how to use the library database. So as you're working on developing your question this week, take a look at that tutorial and take a look at the library database to see what some of the ideas are that already exist. Okay. That's about it. I look forward to reading what you're doing this week, and remember I'm always here on video chat during office hours 3 days a week. You can always contact me over email. I try to respond within 24 hours during the week and 48 over the weekend. Usually it's a little bit faster, but depends on the weekend. But I am definitely available. I'm here to help. So keep me posted. Cheers.